This is my first video using this new software called, oh, it's so new I don't even remember, HyperCam 2. So please bear with me, and if it's not that great, I apologize. If it's not that great, I probably won't upload it at all. I'm going to use GIMP to edit a picture I just downloaded. And GIMP, the link to download GIMP, which is a free, equal software version to software application to Photoshop, which MadVoodoo says Photoshop only costs $20, so don't be so cheap. But not all of us want to spend $20 just to play around with pictures and stuff. So I'm just going to make the picture I downloaded smaller so it'll look better on my Multiply blog page background. And this is how easy it is to do that. When you're minimizing it this way, you don't want to squish it or make it too flat looking. So the best way to do it would be probably to just play with the arrows, but that's also a pain in the ass. So I just prefer to click it, hold it down with the left click, and drag it down evenly, well, the best you can. So he's not too distorted from the original picture. And then click scale. And then I'll have to go here and fit canvas to layers to make it the actual size that the new picture is. File, save. I have to click export. It's a feature within GIMP. Export and then click save again. You can change any of this crap if you know what you're doing, but not needed for this simple object. And then it's saved. And I can close GIMP. So now my sad pup picture is just that small once it pops up. There you go. Okay. Now here's where I downloaded the picture from. I did a search on wolf pups, saw him on the first page, on the second page. His beautiful sad eyes. I clicked here, and it downloaded the full picture only. So that's where I got that from. Downloading it, I just right-clicked and hit save. It was save picture as. So, or save image as, just like that. Okay, so now you go to your multiply page and click customize my site. Click that and this wonderful fun bar pops up, custom CSS. And this pops up. So what you want to do is edit your background image. I don't believe I changed all of this scripting in here too much, so it should be the third section down for you as well. And under background image URL, inside the single quotes is where you want to put the location to your picture. And being that I didn't upload that picture anywhere, I like to use TinyPic. TinyPic.com, create a free account. You can upload all your pictures that you want for free, and within your account they're pretty much saved forever, unless TinyPic ever goes out of business, but I don't see that happening. And so as you can see, it automatically logs me into my account. So I just browse for the picture I just edited and made it. It's on my desktop called Wolf Pup, Sad Pup. Highlight that, click open, it pops up in there. Upload now. There it's going. And the best part of this site is, boom, here's all the code. If you just click here, It highlights the entire string for you. Then you can just do a, oops, click there, highlights everything for you. Right click it, select copy. It shows you the picture you just uploaded there as well. You can click that and see the full size, but we already know how big it is. So then you come here and highlight in between the two single quotes, right click and select paste. And that's your new image on your background. You want to preview it before you save it, that's fine. I don't need this, and my internet is slow because I watched a long video from Google earlier today. So I'm just going to close that window. I watched a video about Google Wave, and it looks really cool. It's going to totally reinvent the way we use email. Maybe I'll do a presentation on that later on. It's going to be available sometime by the end of this year, supposedly. So, if you're doing this as you're watching the video, your site preview probably loaded a lot sooner, as mine's still loading. If you're wondering how I got this cool looking grass picture back here, it's because I'm using Firefox and not Internet Explorer. And that is a thing called Personas for Firefox, and it's called Just Grass. There's a million others, but that's a whole nother story. So once again, here we are. It's still loading the page preview. It goes back on this tab. I didn't save it yet. And there it is. There's my wolf pup, my sad pup background. So that all looks good and fine, so you don't need that page anymore. Close that. Come back here, click save, and it'll be saved. And there it is. If you're interested on how to add pictures like this, you start off the same way with clicking Customize My Site. You'll notice the Move, Hide, and Edit options appear around every box within your multiply page. By clicking Edit in almost any one of them, you have the option to change the title of the box and what you put in it. The B and /B is for bold type. If I didn't do that, it would just be regular fine type around my wonderful statement. And this is the code to post a picture in there. You want lesser than img space src equals double quote, paste location of the picture off the internet, double quote, and greater than. And that's it. As you can see right here, there's the img space src, which is image search equals, and then double quotes, location, whoops, let's just undo that, the location of the picture, and then double quotes, greater than. And I have my two Snoopies back to back, which makes them right next to each other. Then on the next line, well, actually this picture's too big, so it didn't fit to the right of the second Snoopy. It put it below it, and that's how I did that. So what we could do here also is paste the same sad pup picture and delete the extra line and click save. And you see that just that one box was loading again, and there's my sad pup picture. If you want to remove it, you just go back to edit it and delete and save. And that's it. It's that easy. It would be the same exact thing if you were, to get out of this, if you're done and you want to get out of customizing, click done up here at the top and that bar goes away. If you want to do the same thing in somebody's comment, it's the same exact code, lesser than img space src equals double quotes, the location of the picture, double quotes, greater than, and click submit. and you will see I commented on my own page just pasting a copy of that picture. And it's as easy as that. If there's any other things you want to know, let me know. Bye.